Good morning everyone. Happy Tuesday. It's 2 p.m. and may 3 p.m. call time ako ngayon sa restaurant. Kaya ako ay nagmamadaling mag-book dahil nasa BGC ang ating branch yesterday and the past few days we were in Rockwell and now same client naman guys with different brands lang siya pero in different branches too. So today we're going to work from BGC from one of our latest brand and branch. Ayan. It's called Steak and Fries. And I'm gonna meet the owner. And I'm booking now and Grab is not giving, mga mi. OMG, baka mali tayo. Pero yeah, I'm very excited to take you guys with me. Same old. Pero today kasi wala akong coconut VA kasi I'm gonna work on Friday kasi nga nasa Baguio ako may event. So, instead of working today, sa Saturday na ako mag-work for Coconut VA. Yun! Anyways, so, tawag dito. So, how do you guys find our vlog so far? Is it, is it something that you're enjoying currently or not? Let me know how to improve, kung ano pang gusto nyo makita para malaman ko mi. Comment yan sa comment section, mga mima. And I am very excited to share more about, my journey or my day-to-day life as a freelancer. Not just yung digital freelancing, but at the same time, yung face-to-face clients talaga. And ito talagang ginagawa ko since 2018. So, yeah, enjoy and comment here kung ano pa gusto yung makita. And of course, your questions kasi mag-Q&A vlog tayo tomorrow. Bye! So, nag-change ako na outfit guys kasi na-realize ko yung suot ko. Puro pa book from my haircut last week. Yung fabric na yun ay talagang makapit sa hair. Kaya kahit nilaba na siya, may mga buhok-buhok pa rin. Kaya pinalaba ko siya ulit. Saan ko itong suot? Nabili ko to sa Shein. Matgain ko lang to na gamit. I don't know. But yeah, it was in my maleta sa Boracay. So, hindi ko pa pala lalabas lahat ng ibang gamit ko na malilinis from my luggage sa Boracay. And sakto lang kasi mag-i-impake na ako mamaya or bukas for my Baguio trip. So, let's go! So this is the apple walnut salad. I'm having latte tea. Hello! Yay! Oh, this is really good. Yeah. Given.
So excited for it.
Yes, you like it. Fish and chips. We're trying out the new dishes of steak and fries. Join us. Triploid. Oh my gosh. Thank you. Ramen Ron. We're working from Ramen Ron. And katabi lang to ng steak and fries. Kasi puno na sa steak and fries. Kung saan kami nag-work. So we went here because puno na yung steak and fries. Puno dun dito, Oo, punta kami dito kasi sa tawag dito. Yung table kung saan kami nag-work kanina is may reservation. Kaya umalis kami. Pero katabi lang naman to ng steak and fries. But, I don't know where to work kasi puno na rin dito. Like, itong outside tables na lang ang available. Grabe na, i-try nyo talaga dito. It's really giving. Ito, masyadong madaming tao. So, we are walking to Shangri-La. Kasi may lobby lounge doon. Maganda mag-work doon. Peaceful. So, we're walking there. Finally, nandito na kami sa Shangri-La. This space, medyo dumadami na yung tao. Hindi kagaya dati, wala masyado. But this is a perfect spot to like work, you know, here in BGC. Magandang ambiance, very relaxing. Some areas meron siyang plugs. When I'm in BGC, I would really go here to work. And then you get coffee and food. Not like, of course, it's expensive. Like, pero worth it naman yung ambiance and everything. Like, not super steep expensive. Mga 200 plus to 500 plus yung mga drinks dito. So, iba-iba lang. Subjective ng expensive pero but that's the range here. And the staff here are very friendly. So, I like it here talaga. Very comfortable. Guys, there's unlimited Wi-Fi too. Oh my gosh. Go for it, mga mi. Grabe, it's currently 8:10. Inabot na kami ng 8:10 mga mi. At John talk na ako. Puti na lang wala akong coconut VA shift ngayon because sa Saturday mag-work ako kasi nasa Baguio ka tayo ng Thursday to Monday and yung shift ko noon, yung event proper is Friday to Saturday. So I'm sparing Tuesday para hindi ako makapag-work. Trying to fix my body clock too. So yeah. By the way, sa mga gusto matuto ko para maging freelancer or virtual assistant, may free course tayo. Huwag nag-join ka ng Barangay VA na community. It's linked in the comments, okay, or the description box. Kaya ilaban mo na yan, Mi. Oh my gosh, Abel, gas, kakauwi ko lang mga Mi. Ayun na nga, Mi. It's 8:49 and I am about to work a little bit more, no, sa mga iba kong sa personal brand ko, sa iba kong mga pendings too before I sleep. I'm planning to sleep at like 10 p.m. sharp kasi yun nga, as I mentioned earlier, I wanted to like, you know, reverse and bring back my body clock to normal. Ayan, so kasi naman flexi naman ako di ba? Ba't ako hindi di ba? Gets mo ba, Mi? Gets mo ba? So, ayun, so after netong pagtatrabaho kong very late kasi may mga brand partnerships nga ako with a personal brand and I have to work on that syempre kasi it's a, you know, commitment. After that, mga Mi, talagang i-edit ko yung video, isa-schedule ko na, no? At saka, ayan, matutulog after, no? So, I don't know if you find this vlog very insightful or fun, no? But like, comment below kung ano yung favorite part mo sa pagde-daily vlog ko, no? Are you getting something or are you seeing the lifestyle? I don't know. Okay? So, I am gonna work a little bit, samahan niyo ako. So, as a full-time content creator, no, a full-time freelance content creator, I make sure na, you know, I have multiple streams of income. Kaya naman very important sa akin na, alam mo yun, very organized ako with what I do. Like, girl, pagka freelancer ka na full-time, hindi pwedeng iisa lang. Kasi pag may nawalang isa, may kapalit right away. Na, you know, meron ka pa rin matitirang multiple streams of income para rolling pa rin ang workflow, ang finances mo, no? Nagkakapera ka pa rin, no? Cash flow is what I meant. So, that's why I have multiple sources of income and at the same time, tawag dito, I practice what I teach in social media. So, mas maganda na kahit full-time content creator ako is nakakapag, I can share something fresh. at credible ako kasi I'm practicing what I preach online. So, yan ang gusto kong gawin. And anyways, nakikita ko ako naman lahat ng gig nito because of my content creation. So, I consider it as full-time content creation na talaga. And the way I monetize it is not through like the videos I post, but at the same time through, you know, part-time gigs like this. So, ang saya. Kasi I'm finally doing something that I love, and I'm finally talking about something that I truly know. Plus, very, very, ano to, guys, very, very credible kasi, of course, yung mga tinuturo ko is based on what I'm actually experiencing right now. Does that make sense? So, magpo-post lang ako kay Coconut VA ng content, no? Kasi hindi naman tayo pwedeng mawala ng content everyday. So, I post across all platforms of Coconut VA because we want awareness. We want awareness. Sabihin nyo nga yun, Chariz. So, ayun na nga, I am posting about our Digital Nomad Weekend Fest in Baguio on the 24th to 25th. So, kung taga Baguio kayo guys, kita-kita tayo sa Baguio. Oo, I don't know if you guys are from Baguio. Comment below if you are from Baguio. I just wanna meet some of you guys. I'll be there from the 23rd to the 27th. So, please, ayan, be there.
Baguio Peeps!
Ayan na.
Coconut
Ito yung
Bay
video.
Baguio Peeps! Coconut Bay has exciting news for you. We are supporting the first Digital Nomad Festival in the city. We hope to meet you regardless if you're a seasoned digital professional or you're just starting your journey. Who knows, we might even have a job opportunity for you. See you on May 24 and 25 during the Baguio Digital Nomad Weekend Fest. We can't wait to see all of you. Let's go Team Baguio!
O, diba?
Peeps!
Kaya kinaya mo yun, miss. Sinong mama mo? Ayan, so, yes, we're gonna be there. Kung taga Baguio ka, kita-kita tayo. Maybe I will add the link of this landing page, no, in the comment section. So, if you wanna meet me there, go for it. Join tayo sa gusto maging digital nomad. Let's go! Feel like I've done so many things today already. Sorry. So I think I'm gonna stop working for today. Tomorrow is another day. Bukas mag-iimpake na rin ako for Baguio kasi ang aking flight bus po pa Baguio tomorrow is I think 7 a.m. the next day. So kailangan ko nag-prepare lahat tomorrow. Nagpalaban ako and everything. And I'm very excited kasi I will take you guys sa Baguio with me. Ipapakita ko sa inyo yung Nomad event and everything. Hopefully I can meet you guys in Baguio too. And yeah, ang daming fun stuff na mangyayari. And may kilala niya si Coconut V at sa Barangay VA doon as well. Mamimigay ako ng access sa ating free course. Yun lang po, maraming salamat. I hope you guys enjoyed this and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye!